She's having so much fun on Memorial Monday. We are barbecue BQQ. What LiL Chris top of the world? She likes hamburger, white American cheese with green sweet relish with ketchup. Sometimes she eats 1 hamburger or 2 hamburger, 3 hamburger, 4 hamburger. She is a picky eater but she is a big eater. She likes to eat a lot to celebrate barbecue outside for the Memorial Day. And if she wants more hamburgers, then she waits to settle down. Thank you for our service women and men. Thank you for firefighters, the police, the army, the navy, the marine, working hard to protect our city, home state. Happy Memorial Day.